All right, we're looking at 88 degrees right now. Just a great weekend, though. So.
Yeah, it sure was. And again, a little toasty out there, and summery weather's still hanging in there this week. Really no major dips in temperature. So just kick back, take it easy, we'll get through it. Hey, at noontime, we have some rain showers, some thunderstorms. I've been tracking this stuff all morning long since the start of Wake Up at 5 a.m., actually even before that when I first came into work. And it's been traveling across the Great Lakes, Lake Erie, and Ontario, and it is weakening, this first batch of shower and thunderstorm activity. However, what will happen, even though this is going to fizzle out as it moves into the area during the midday and the early afternoon hours here, a new round is going to start to fire up, most likely along lake breeze fronts, which are going to set up north and south of the metro. That's probably where the greatest risk of some of the thunderstorm activity is going to be found this afternoon. Well, let's take a look at a beautiful sunrise this morning. Carlton Nemec sending this in on News Tracker from Route 77 out in Wyoming County. Look at that beautiful shot, sunrise with some high clouds filtering that sunshine, at least earlier this morning. Taking a broader look, at least, at the satellite and radar picture at noontime today. And again, here's this first batch of shower and thunderstorm activity. You can see it kind of trailing back to the west during the morning hours and moving our way toward noontime. But definitely a weakening trend to this activity as we push toward the 12:30 time now. And that will continue at least a bit longer. However, as we work into the afternoon, I expect a new round of some of this activity to fire up, especially north and south of the metro. That's where some of these showers and thunderstorms are going to be most likely. You can kind of see it depicted here, areas north of Buffalo and also to the south along these lake breeze fronts, which are going to set up across the area this afternoon. Now, tonight and even into tomorrow, we'll continue to have a threat of some scattered showers and thunderstorms across the area. And some of this stuff has the potential of producing some locally heavy downpours across the area during the overnight period. And then tomorrow, it will start to diminish, especially by later in the afternoon, getting into the evening hours tomorrow night. And that sets us up for a basically rain-free forecast, I think, for a couple days on Wednesday and Thursday, but gosh, it is going to be toasty again, especially by Thursday, with readings up around 90 degrees at that time. Well, right now, as of noontime, the readings building very rapidly across the area. 83 degrees at Niagara Falls, 85 at Buffalo, 84 at Dunkirk, 77 down here at Jamestown and Wellsville, and a 76 at Bradford, with a little bit more in the way of increasing clouds heading our way this afternoon. That may tend to slow down this temperature rise a little bit for us, but definitely a very warm afternoon in progress, and humid as well, especially across the Niagara frontier. You get the dew point temperature up around 60 or slightly above that. We're into humid territory, 70 at Toronto right now with oppressive conditions. The humidity not quite as bad by the time you get down to Bradford, PA with this 59. Taking a look at the forecast details for this afternoon, we have a sunset scheduled at 8:53 this afternoon. Water temperature 74 at Buffalo and a 71 off Rochester on Lake Ontario. For this afternoon, increasing clouds, scattered rain showers and thunderstorms developing. It's going to be very warm, rather humid, with high temperatures 80 to 86, maybe even a few spots a nudge higher than that based on the sunshine that we have out there right now. Mostly cloudy skies for tonight, scattered showers and thunderstorms. Again, some locally heavier downpours, 63 to 70, a mild night. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy, spotty showers and thunderstorms, 78 to 83. And then as we get into Wednesday, partly sunny, still rather warm and humid. The high temps in the low to mid 80s. It gets even toastier around here on Thursday. Highs close to 90 degrees. Some spots will probably hit the 90 mark with mostly sunny skies. More showers and storms on Friday. Hopefully we can get that out of here in time for the weekend. Another nice weekend, maybe.
But we're going to have to deal with a little humidity for the rest of the week.
Yeah, pretty much right through the rest of the week.
On and off.
Yeah, so just, freshen up the lemonade.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Thanks, Mike.